See if we can see one of their rental properties. It says Novel. Does it Novel? Novel, Midtown, Tampa, the ultimate arrival, now leasing. Let's go check this place out. Well, their lobby is cute. It's real cute. Hi. I want to find out about your rentals.
Okay, of course, yes, we'll be with you shortly.
Thank you. But yeah, this is really nice, y'all. So in here they're encouraging masks, so let me grab one. Alright, Peach Patch, so she's going to get me some price sheets so I'll know how much the 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms cost. They're going to be going up to 3 bedrooms. Also, when you come to look at rental properties, please make sure you have your ID. You cannot see a rental property without giving the leasing specialist your ID. So I'm about to give that to her so she can hold it.
5.
Okay. So you have a bunch of different layouts?
We do. So essentially there's going to be everything that's an A, there's going to be a 1 bedroom, everything that's a B, that's 2, and everything that is C is going to be a 3 bedroom. Okay. So we have A1s, we have A2s, we have A3s, A4s, A5s, A6.
Oh wow.
But we also have variations of those. So we have A11, A12. So it's, if you think about it, this is an A1 and an A12. The floor plan is similar. It's going to be different square footage. That's what really is differentiating it. Okay. So it's set up. Peach Patch. So now we're about to go ahead and tour a 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. And I just want to show you guys their mailboxes. This is crazy, right? This is beautiful. Insane. It's like looking like a hotel, like a really nice hotel. Comment down below, just so far with what you've seen, would you want to live here? I think I want to live here. Like, girl, you should just get you a little 1 bedroom without those kids. Make it an office or something. So we're going to the 2nd floor. So details in the elevator, Peach Patch. Do both doors open depending on floor? Depending on which floor. Right?
Wow.
So we're going to get off this floor.
Okay. Oh, wow.
This is all the amenity floor.
Look how big the doors are. This is beautiful.
You know what it reminds me of? Remember Beetlejuice?
Do
you remember when they came and the door came and they had to walk through it? That's what it reminds me of.
It does kind of look like Beetlejuice. It's really cute though. I've never seen anything like this. So we're going into...
Oh, we'll be back.
Oh, somebody's looking at that one.
So we'll go around and then we'll come back to that.
Okay.
All right.
This is so beautiful.
So this is the pool lounge.
Oh my god, look at the chairs, y'all. Peaches, you acting like you ain't never been nowhere. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. It smells so good in here too. Oh my goodness, y'all. I would live here. And I haven't even seen the inside. I don't know about how the inside looks yet, guys, but they outdid themselves with the furniture and the decor. Definitely looks Instagram and TikTok photo worthy.
Photo out ready.
Right. Beautiful.
And that was the construction, but just so you can kind of see what's going on. This pergola right here, the lighter wood color, they're going to be cabanas. So they'll have soft seating. And then the next one that you see, the darker metal, there's actually going to be some different colored glass on there, so it'll shine into the pool. And it'll kind of have that like South Beach vibe.
This is so beautiful.
You notice there's no lights on any of the balconies. So at night when people, I don't know if you've ever been in a community and seen when people have their balcony light on, it's kind of distracting and people look in the apartment or they're not. We want to focus on you know, the beauty of the pool out here.
It is really beautiful. How many pools do you guys have?
Just one.
Just gonna be this one?
So what's gonna happen is that second building over there, it mirrors this building, but instead of this room, there's gonna be a yoga room.
Oh, wow.
Gonna have, remember those mirrors? That, have you ever seen you touch them and there's a person that appears and does a
so you can work out?
with you? We're gonna have 3 of those mirrors in there.
Wow.
And then there's gonna be more of kind of like a Japanese Zen garden. There'll be hammocks in there.
Oh wow, I
just
have to
more
come
like
back
a
and see
courtyard
that.
feel.
With this, are those actual apartments whose balconies are at the pool? Oh wow, I'm sure those probably taken.
Actually, those.
That's the one I would want.
It's honestly because everybody has different preferences. That's why some people will tell you they never want to live on the first floor.
Oh wow.
And then some people will only live on the first floor. So it just, that's why there's every different floor has its perks. You
okay.
know?
How many floors do you guys go up to?
So there are technically 6 floors, but like we're on the 2nd floor, which is the first floor of apartments.
Okay. And just so you guys know, 6 floors is not normal in Florida. I'm a Tampa native. Normally we have 2 to 3 apartment floors. That's it. Recently we started to see more go up to 4 floors, but 6 floors is unusual for us. That's like really high floor Floridians. Okay. This is so nice. Do you guys have like kitchen stuff or it's just a serving area?
It's just a serving area. I'm sure that, you know, when we start to have some more resident events, we'll probably one day hire a bartender to come back there and do some drinks and just use the space for you. But that's not the only lounge area. We have another club room here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness, y'all. This is so cute. I'm in love with this place.
Same.
Wow. You live here?
I do.
Oh wow, you're so lucky. I need to get a job here.
So these 2 studios are if you wanted to, you know, just get out of your apartment and as of right now, we're kind of just first come, but
wow. And then the lights automatically come on. They're censored. Peach Patch, this is beautiful. Wow. Oh wow. So Peach Patch, she said that all of the amenities are 24/7. This is so beautiful. I know many of you like Peaches, I'm in New York. Peaches, I'm in California. Like the price you paying for stuff ain't nothing. Y'all would probably enjoy paying these prices for this stuff because I've seen some of those California places and for the price y'all paying, our projects look better than that. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
And then this is my favorite part. So obviously when all of these restaurants opening up, this is going to be the spot to be. Bring your friends at night, have some cocktails out here.
And this is a hotel, correct?
That's Solimar, a restaurant bar outside.
It's open already?
It is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that end, that's where the True Food Oprah's restaurant is going to be.
Did you guys hear that, guys? Oprah is opening up a restaurant in Tampa. This is news to me. I didn't even know that until she just told me. That's nuts, right? Wow, this is beautiful.
The hall, the food hall is going to be down there in that building. And
I thought like Riverwalk area was cute, but this is killing like Riverwalk, Waterworks. Armature Works. It's killing it. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I can see me hanging down here, Peach Patch. I cannot wait to see the inside of an apartment.
But it's not like,
it feels like young.
Very, very sophisticated, but also it's just pretty. I love it so much. And all of these, the buildings attached, all of these walkovers. So, like I said, we don't have the fitness center. It's over here. So when that building is done, you don't have to walk outside to go to the fitness center or the yoga studio. You can walk to these overhead.
Wow. How many units in total will you guys have?
390.
Wow. It looks like it would be more than 390 units. So, wow.
And then on the opposite side of this building is that teal colored parking. And that's all of our parking as well.
Wow. This is incredible. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, wow. I am loving the fixtures, the black cabinets with the gold handle. They got backsplash. Wow.
Those are those soft close, so if you pull it out and then slam it will.
Oh wow, let me do that again. Hold on, y'all see that beach patch? I need some of these in my house. This is incredible. And then they have stainless steel refrigerator, a washer and dryer.
And all units will have full size.
Will they all be stackables?
Yes.
Like even in the 3s, they're like this? So the washer?
The 3s, you know what? I'm not sure what the 3s are.
Okay.
I think they are because most of them have been.
What's this locked door?
That is for like the hot water heater.
Okay.
So you don't want to go in there.
All right, and then this is how the refrigerator looks, guys. They got beverages. That's how you know you at a good place. When you open up the refrigerator and the model, if they don't have like, you're gonna take one of those.
Whatever you'd like.
Thank you. Look, they even got wine up in this joint. This is how you know you're somewhat decent. This is incredible. Got brown tile. Is this marble? Like what kind of countertop is this? Vinyl.
Not marble.
It's really nice though. And then the bar, the island, is pretty big, guys. Are all the lights like this?
Yes.
Wow. That's incredible. And then this is the 2-2. How many square feet?
This is 11, 15.
11, 15. That's not bad. We just went and looked at a house and it was 1,500 square feet for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. So 11 for an apartment isn't bad. So this is the master. Is this the master?
It is not.
Oh, it's not.
This is the guest.
The guest.
And that's why, because the bathroom is accessible for your guests.
Man, I love this. Look at the doorknobs, guys. The doorknobs look amazing on the apartment. Wow. This is the linen holder, I assume so, for your towels. Wow, look at the sink. The sinks come like this?
Yep,
Wow.
all the sinks look the same.
Look, they got a mirror like CJ, so cool. They got the mirror with the lighting. Wow.
And there's even a little shelf in that closet onto the right hand side.
Oh, wow. So the closet, guys, is inside of the bathroom, but I was looking at this little, the small details, like the tissue holder. They come like this? Wow. I'm really impressed. I haven't seen a apartment. This kind of feel like a house. Like the closet is humongous.
It's really cozy, right?
Yeah, it feel like I'm in a house. I haven't seen anything like this in a while that impressed me. Does it come with this as well?
It sure does.
Wow. So it comes with the shower curtain hook thing, and it's curved, guys, and it's black. It even got a little towel hook. Wow. And then look at this. See, when we just went and looked at that house, it had that little cheap plastic tub, and it was a house for $370 something thousand. This is actually like hard. What kind of material is this? Do you know?
That's a good question.
I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's not.
Tile.
It's tile. Yeah. And look at the shower head. It's black too. I love this. Wow. I'm really impressed, y'all. Like, I know I keep saying wow. Like, how many times you're gonna say wow, but a lot of times a lobby will look good. Let me get my water back. But when you come into the actual home, it look a hot mess. But this one, I really like it, and it feels like a house. The doors are huge.
Very homey. And then this would be the master.
And look how much stuff they got in here. They got 2 nightstands. This looks like a full-size bed.
This is a queen.
A queen bed. 2 nightstands plus a big old vase. Still room for a desk. Wow. Thank you. This looks so nice. And then we're on the 2nd floor, guys. Then you still have room to put a TV. You could fit a king-size bed in here easy.
Absolutely. I think that what they wanted to show you is that you could, because that one is a king. This one, you can fit bigger nightstands if you wanted to.
Okay.
That big vase in the corner.
Yeah, that vase is huge. So yeah, you definitely can fit a king in here and still have enough room to watch your TV. It's not that much space in the front from the bed, but it's still enough to put a dresser and a TV. And then look at the bathroom. I love the fact that the closet is in the bathroom. It feel like I got the Louis on my luggage. I'm riding in the 6, speeding down the highway. It feel like I'm rich. Like, you know, you just wake up, go straight to your closet, wake up, brush your teeth, come in your big behind closet. This closet is humongous. Look at this. Trying to make sure y'all get the views. It's the views for me. And then it's like this in every house? Like, is it going to be this floor?
Everything is exactly the same.
Wow.
Well, so some of them will have different floor plans. We'll have like a stand-up shower. So one bath will be a bathtub. The other will be like one of those walk-in stand-up showers. Okay. Can you get both? Y'all have any with both? Yes. Some there's it actually looks just like this floor plan, except this would be a stand-up shower.
Okay. I love this, y'all.
And the great thing is the website will show a 3D picture, so you know when you pick a specific unit,
floor plan.
which one does look like that.
Okay. Thank you.
Hope you all liked this video, and if you did, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye. Like you like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the IK-EY, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the IK-EY, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Follow. Like, hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like. For your girl, take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right, go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this song. Yep, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.